EAS.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, West Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Antioch, Oregon, 7 miles southeast of Nashville, moving east
They
at
didn't
20
even
miles
fix the
per hour.
Oregon problem.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Juliet, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Molina City, Percy Priest Lake, and Gladeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Round pick to the Browns, the Bears.